coffee, isn't it? Got wiggling fingers.
Carter, whose guitar is that you're holding?
Whose guitar is that?
I want to see if he knows that.
Huh?
Right.
Whose?
Right.
Riley's?
Roddy.
Roddy's?
Roddy.
Who's Roddy? And where is he?
He lives beside Papa.
He does. Well, who gave this? Who brought this over here?
Travis.
Well, you better go ask him whose it is then, since he brought it over here.
Travis, who did this come from?
That's from me to you for Christmas. That's your guitar.
Did you get a guitar
for Christmas? Yeah.
Are you serious?
That's yours, so you can keep that for as long as you need it.
Carter, give him a chance. He doesn't have a kiss.
Give me that little car.
Get back to the car.